You gonna pull it for me?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna shoot when you miss.
All right, make sure I got my firing on order here. Pull. Kablooey! Pull. Camera probably goes a little cockeyed because of the way I hold my head. You gonna do it by hand now? Pull. At least I got one of them.
A little harder, huh?
Yeah. Well, I want to like straight. You don't know really where to aim when they go straight up. Pull. Got them both. I don't know how many shots I have left. Oh, I might be empty, Jacob, unless I have one in here. I have one in here.
Okay.
Pull. Kablooey! God, I love the shotgun. You want me to pull it for you? Get it?
Didn't break though.
Yeah, any left or not?
I'll fill up real quick.
Hold on one second.